That's scary. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do another video on the 2000 Wide Glide. Looks like I'm wrapping it up. There's still a few little odds and ends there, but I have had it running. It cranked up and ran pretty good, matter of fact. I wish I'd have done a video of it running, but I didn't. Still got to get a headlight in there that works. It's all back together. It actually sound pretty good with them Andrew cams in it. So I'm gonna wrap up this. Still got these electrical problems, little issues here. Nothing that can't be straightened out, but the horn I had was just junk, so we'll run it without one for now. Got the, I don't know what was in the brake fluid, if it's never been changed or what, but I got it all flushed out. Freed up the front master cylinder, got it back working, so I do have front brakes. This swing arm evidently is for a 2002 or 3. There were some differences in the swing arms. I tried to make that one work, but it would not. So I went ahead and got a swing arm for this style brake caliper, which is a 4-piston caliper. That swing arm works on it. I think it's just a 2-piston caliper. So I got all that back together. It fits nice. Got the rear brakes working. Master cylinder on it was, cleaned it out and was able to use it. Bought a carburetor from eBay, from a Chinese carburetor. Took the carburetor off the bike part and took parts out of it and got that carburetor working really well. So the rear hub, I had all that problems with it. Bought one of them on eBay also. I don't think it's for the same year model bike, but it does fit. So I got all that straightened out. Had a lot of trouble with the clutch. And of course everybody saw the crank that came out of it. It's all bent, tore up, just blown up. So the jugs and heads and crankshaft come off of eBay. Is that correct? Yeah. Yeah, jugs, heads, and crankshaft. So combined a bunch of parts and got it all back together. Yeah, I really think the clutch cost me more than anything else, dealing with the clutch basket and all the broke stuff out of it. The primary cover, I possibly used one. I had to helicoil some stuff in it and fix broke and stripped out screws and stuff in it. So I should have it out, I would think maybe next weekend, and be riding it. Yeah, one unfortunate thing is my father passed away this past week on Friday, and 95 years old. He was from Hinton, West Virginia. So researching and going back and finding family and stuff like that and notify them is really, really interesting. You start talking to people that you haven't seen and talked to in years. So after this video I'm going to go ahead and throw a few pictures of him up. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll do a video of me riding it. So that's coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna throw them pictures on there now of my father. So 95. He used to ride a Cushman in Hinton, West Virginia. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I know y'all will.